Hello guys, welcome to my SEO content writing course. I'm extremely grateful for your presence here and I can give you one promise, and that is by the end of this course you will be the most educated SEO content writer out there. I've put in months of research to compile this thing from my own experience and from a lot of research and statistics. I've compiled this course to give the most value to the SEO content writers. So this is the most relevant SEO content writing course you could find anywhere on the internet, because it is specifically designed for SEO content writers, and we have cut out all the junk that will not be useful for SEO content writers. So why did I create this course? A year ago, I cracked the SEO mystery and have increased my website traffic from 1000 to 5000 per week. You know what the secret is? The secret is you, content writers. Content is king and content fuels all SEO efforts. So what I did was I created a content team in my company and we started publishing back-to-back blogs, with each consecutive blog being better than the previous one, and we experimented with various SEO factors to find the right combination of value, content, media and research required to outrank even the high authority websites. So, why am I saying this story? To make you realize that without SEO content writers, there's barely any growth in organic traffic. So what is organic traffic? Organic traffic is essentially the traffic you receive from Google. If someone is searching for something related to the company that you're working for, then it's preferred that if our link goes high up in the SERPs, then we will get a lot of visits to our websites. This visits is called organic traffic. So without SEO content writers, there's barely any growth in the SEO efforts. If you already didn't know, that the demand for SEO content writers are extremely high and it will continue to increase over the years, and that's exactly why I created this course, because from my experience I worked as an SEO for a long time, but it is only after I created the content team we made things happen. So this course is everything you need to know about SEO content writing, so you'll be able to crack the organic competition and even outrank high authority websites. How can I promise you this? I have experience doing this in my company and I want to share my knowledge with you. So you might be wondering, what do I actually get in this course? So it's pretty obvious right now that this is not a complete SEO course, but a course that's specifically tailored for content writers, cutting out all the junk that will be irrelevant to content writers at this point. So in chapter 1, you'll be learning about what actually matters in SEO that content writers need to know. And at the end of this chapter, you'll be given a demonstration of what to do and how to do, and everything that you learn in this chapter, the demonstration will be done, so it will be easier for you to execute when you actually get there. And you will be provided with a search factor checklist optimized for writers. And in chapter 2, you'll be learning about the advanced keyword research techniques to understand how to use these to craft the most valuable content that satisfies the user intent. So keyword research is something that needs to be done in various types of scenarios, and there will be a template, an Excel template given to you. The demonstrations of the keyword research will be done in the chapter itself, but at the end of the chapter, templates will be given for each of these situations, so it will be easier for you to do that when the situation arrives. In chapter 3, we will be learning about SEO content writing and all the important checklists that you need to follow in order to maintain the growth that you get by following chapter 1 and chapter 2. And in the final chapter, we'll be talking about SEO content writing careers and all one needs to know and do in order to be a successful SEO content writer.